With the demand for fresh food continuing to increase, customers want more from a brand that simply manufactures and sells display cases. That's why customers in all channels depend on Structural Concepts as the most reliable and advanced resource, making it easier to better display and sell more fresh food. Constantly innovating the art of fresh food presentation, making the desired more desirable, and improving the protection of the perishable, we have spent the past 50-plus years delivering the most attractive, reliable, temperature-controlled display cases, when and where our customers need them. Delivering fresh, always, is what drives our passion for every detail and our pursuit for better solutions that meet industry requirements, unarticulated needs, and existing market demands, as well as gauging what the future may hold. The vertical integration we've established allows us to deliver the most reliable and energy-efficient products, giving us more control over the quality and availability of the solutions we design, engineer, and manufacture, all while creating the shortest lead times, setting the industry standard for speed to market, delivering solutions everywhere fresh food is sold. With the shortest lead times, we help streamline our customers' operations, improve their productivity, and increase their revenue to ensure their ongoing success. To learn more about how Structural Concepts is delivering fresh, always, by manufacturing the most attractive, reliable, temperature-controlled display cases, contact us today. Structural Concepts, delivering fresh, always.